Hello. Hello. So, almost every creative software has at least 150 shortcuts. But do you know how many are actually used? Survey shows that the majority of designers only use 10 shortcuts, which is 6%. But why? Because memorizing random key combinations is hard and boring. When you use your mouse in the software you work in, it shows you the keyboard shortcuts that you should have used instead. It's like Grammarly, but for creatives. Now, the learning process is integrated into your workflow, and there is no more need to look up shortcuts on the cheat sheet. On the screen, you can see how Shortcut Master works with Adobe Photoshop. We also made it smart. Our AI analyzes which actions you perform and gives you tailored suggestions on which new shortcuts can save you time, meaning productivity. Our tool is integrable with other software as long as they have API to connect with. On the market, there are two alternatives that you could use. Those are silicon mats and dedicated keyboards. Both can be used only with one software, and none of them provide any feedback to the user. Creative person usually uses more than one software, so you end up piling up keyboards or silicon mats. We plan to start with art and design universities. There are around 2,000 colleges that offer film or design studies in North America alone. By reaching just 2% of them at $4.99 per student, we could obtain an MRR of 100K. Shortcut Master is a team of 4, a hustler, a developer, a designer, and a product engineer, all aligned with one vision: make learning shortcuts enjoyable. During the accelerator, we did the target audience research, developed our app and the website. We also released an alpha version of our app already. Our plans afterwards are to launch our first pilot with a university and finish our smart keyboard as extension software. After that, we plan to launch a crowdfunding campaign for our smart keyboard. We are looking for partner universities and other institutions who teach Adobe Photoshop to pilot our software. Software has come a long way in 30 years, but most people keep learning shortcuts like it's 1988. Join us on the quest to be the long-awaited revolution in this field and help creatives become more productive. Thank you.